How to draw glasses. Welcome to Rain Francis Art for Kids. Today I'm going to show you how to draw this cute pair of glasses with markers, step by step. This is an easy drawing lesson for kids, beginners, and kids of all ages. Hi everyone, welcome to Rain Francis Art for Kids. My name is Rain. In this series, Things Around the House, I show you how to draw anything that you can find around your house. So let's draw. This is what you'll need for today's drawing. You're going to need a piece of paper. I have my dollar store drawing pad here. It's 11 inches by 8.5. Today I'm going to use masking tape, but I'm only going to use it to draw circles. So if you have something around the house that you can use to draw circles, that would be great. You could try drawing them by yourself, but I'm not very good at it. So I have my masking tape here that I'm going to use. I also have my pencil, I have an eraser, and I have my old paintbrush to dust off my page. And for color today, I've got only two colors. I've got a purple and I have a gray silvery color. I also have my black Sharpie and my fine-tipped black marker for outlining. So let me clear off my page and we can begin. Now I'm going to do something that I don't normally do. I'm going to start with my fine-tip black marker to start doing the glasses. So I'm using my masking tape and I'm going to do the inside circle. So there's circle number 1, okay? And next to it, I'm going to do circle number 2. Now, if you wanted to start doing that with pencil, just in case you're worried about, not getting a perfect circle, go ahead and do that. But I'm basically going to continue doing everything in pencil now, but I wanted to get that done with the fine liner first. That's just me though. If you're more comfortable doing it with pencil, go ahead. So the next thing I'm going to do is we have to attach the two lenses together. So we're going to do two little semicircles there, I guess, or two little shaped, like crescent shapes. And then we need somewhere for the glasses to sit on our ears. There's one. And then we've got one here. There. And I am going to draw some eyes in the glasses. So I've got a big oval here, and I'll draw a big oval here. And I'm not going to do, I usually do oval eyes like that, but I'm going to do little circles. One here and one here. And that's all we're going to do for now. Now I'm going to take my fine liner and I'm going to outline all of that stuff. Actually, you know what? Before I do that, I completely forgot something. What I want to do is on the inside of each of the circles, I'm going to draw another circle. And I'm going to try my best to make it as, oops, that's not even, Rain. But that's why I have an eraser. I'm going to try to make it as even as possible. I'm going to be erasing my pencil line, so I don't mind it that I did that. But here we go on this one. I have a little bit of dust. There we go. Okay. Now I'm going to take my fine liner and outline everything. Now I'm not worried about not staying on my pencil lines because, like I said, I'm going to be erasing them. So it's okay if I go outside the pencil lines, but if you don't want to erase your pencil, And you might want to take some care and not go outside your pencil lines. Try to follow those pencil lines as best you can. I'll outline all of this. And this part here, we can't forget. My dog is whining because she's looking out the window at the birds. She wants to go out there, but I can't let her do that. She chases them and she scares them, and I don't want them to be scared. All right, how are you guys doing? I'm all done with my outlining. So what I'm going to do is erase my pencil marks. Now I'm going to be careful. I have some red on me and some yellow on me from another video I did. So I want to make sure that the marker is dry, and it's dry. Because if you erase while your marker is wet, everything smudges everywhere. And it looks awful. So we don't want it to look awful. So I'm just carefully erasing, and I'm not erasing with, very hard. I'm trying to erase with a light touch, because it is possible to erase marker a little bit. It just fades it, and it doesn't look very nice, So let me wipe off my page here, dust off, see if I missed anywhere. Yes, I did. In this eye, I forgot to do that one. And a little bit here. Okay. I think I got all that done. So I'm just going to start with my silvery gray color. And the only thing I'm doing is that middle part right here. You don't even have to do that in a gray color. You can do it any color you want. The same color as you're going to do your frames. And I'm going to do my frames purple, because I actually had purple glasses. For the longest time I had purple glasses. So I'm going to color the entire frame of the glasses purple. I loved my purple glasses, but they broke one time and I never replaced them because I couldn't find the same color that I had. So now I have brown glasses. Kind of boring, but I only use them when I'm driving, so. Do you wear glasses? In the summer I wear sunglasses too. Those are brown too. I have to try to get some more colorful glasses in my life. Alright, now I'm going to carefully go around the lenses here. I don't want to get any purple into the middle. This is not easy to do because it's a thin little spot to color in. But we will try our best. What color are your glasses? If you wear glasses, what color are the glasses that you wear? But what color are you using today for this drawing? I used to have a nice pair of red glasses too. I like to wear a lot of color. It makes me happy. That's why a lot of the times I have painted nails, you know, it just makes me happy. Okay, that wasn't so bad. I'm going to try this one. Go slowly around here. Try not to get any purple into, this is supposed to be the glass, so we're not going to color that part in. All right. Oh, I got a little purple outside there. That's okay. This is a difficult angle for me. Usually I move my page around all over the place, but I want to be able to show you what I'm doing without moving the drawing around too much. So it's difficult in some spots for me to get my hand in the right position. But I'm doing it. Well, this is just for fun anyway. There we go. Now this last part here of the frames on the glasses. What are these things called? The word escapes me right now. Are they the handles? Not the handles, are they? They might be the handles. There we go. There, my purple glasses. So now I'm going to take my black Sharpie and I'm just going to color in those little dots. And this one too. All right. And let's do a little detail. We're just going to give this guy a big smile. An open smile, and we're going to give him some teeth. So I'm just going to draw a line in the middle. And some lines that go up and down, just to show teeth. Now these are cartoon teeth. Nobody has teeth looking like this, but cartoons can have whatever kind of teeth we give them, right? And we'll give him some cheeks, little semicircles at the edge of each side of the mouth. And those are our glasses, my friends. Now don't forget to sign your work. I want you to be very, very proud of the beautiful work of art that you just created. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, my friends, and we'll see you next time on Things Around the House. Thanks for watching. Bye.